What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Hisense Smart TV to Wi-Fi without the remote control. Now if your remote control spoiled or you actually misplaced it, then this is going to be a very helpful one for you. We'll be looking at two ways to connect our Hisense Smart TV to the internet without the remote control. Now the first, which is actually the simplest, is actually for you to get a wired Wi-Fi. Now this is actually simple because once you connect your wired Wi-Fi to your smart TV, you don't need to do anything. The TV automatically starts using the internet connection that the wired Wi-Fi actually offers. You can get a wired Wi-Fi. I have also added a link in the description of this video for some of the best Wi-Fis that you can actually get on Amazon at affordable prices. So you can just check them out and get one for yourself. Trust me, it works very well and you don't really need to have your remote control. Another solution I'll be recommending is simply for you to trick the TV by creating a similar Wi-Fi as the one it has connected to before and allow it to connect to that Wi-Fi. Now what this will mean is that if your TV has not connected to the Wi-Fi before, then this will not work. But if you've connected your TV to your Wi-Fi before and you know the name and the password of that previous Wi-Fi, then this is going to work perfectly well for you. I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process on how to do it on my Android phone, and I encourage that you follow the steps carefully. So here is my Android smartphone and I want to make my Hisense Smart TV connect to the hotspot of this particular phone without the remote, and I know the name, that is the name and the password of the previous Wi-Fi which my TV has been connected to. Now what I want to do is simply to go to the settings on my device, go to settings, and you can just search for hotspots on your device. It's going to take a while. Now go to portable hotspots. Now you want to enter the name of your previous Wi-Fi here and enter the same password of your previous Wi-Fi. Now you have to make sure that the name corresponds exactly as it is on your previous Wi-Fi. Now in my previous Wi-Fi, the name was iPhone 13 Sam. Now that was the name I used in my previous Wi-Fi, right? Now I use the same password, so I'm just going to leave the password, but in your case you should make sure that the password also tallies with the password of your previous Wi-Fi. So this is actually the name and the password of my previous Wi-Fi, the exact name and password. Now what I want to do is simply to save this up and make sure that I turn on the hotspot of my phone, and then I just have to turn on the hotspot like so. Now one thing you have to notice is that once you make these changes, the TV does not automatically connect to it. You have to look for a way to make the TV search for available Wi-Fis again and connect to this particular Wi-Fi. And since you do not have your remote, the best way to do this is simply to turn off the TV and turn it on again. Now if this does not work out for you, one thing you want to do is simply to unplug the TV from the power socket and leave it for a while, say like 30 minutes, and then turn on the TV again. Make sure it is unplugged, and while you're turning on the TV, make sure that your Wi-Fi is also turned on. That will be all on today's video, guys. If you follow the steps I have discussed in this particular video, then you should have been able to connect your smart TV to your Wi-Fi without the remote control.